look us right in the face. It's like staring at a burning sun. Got teeth like razor blades, and you know that we're out for blood. We're out for blood. Better run, better run. 'Cause here it comes, here it comes. Better run when the wolves come out to play.
Ready, Bug? You ready?
Where's my headlamp?
He's blind. In the car seat. Whoa! Oh shit! Got him. Got him. My leg's dead. I can't even walk. Here, hold this for me. I about broke my leg when I stood up. It folded all the way back. Hell yeah. Back to the camera. Hey, nice chest. God, my leg's asleep.
back again?
This is my first spring turkey.
Really?
Really? He's got a pretty tail fan.
Missing feather. Why is he coming quick?
I watched
heard
him
him
land
gobble right
and
here, but-
he was over here for a fat minute.
Here.
Yeah. And
I've
then he
seen
was
him.
right here. The other ones went that way, and all these went this way. Dakota said he could see one right here that had a big old beard.
Yeah.
There's one hanging. It should be recording if it's flashing red.
We got her.
What a morning. Don't get no better than that. Had multiple toms gobbling all morning long. Flew right down into the decoys. Had what, 15 hens or so? I don't know how we didn't get spotted, but that was pretty dang cool. Don't get no better than that.
Yeah, I got pretty lucky. We snuck in here, and I don't know how the hens didn't see us like Dylan said, but we minutes sat there. Maybe it felt like forever.
It felt like forever, yeah.
And then finally a tom came. I was lucky enough to get the shot. So had to take 2 shots on him, but he was down fast. So
Beautiful 7, 8, 9 inch beard.
good spurs.
Not bad for spur, no.
Anyways, we're gonna go hurry and try and find another one for Braxton so he can quit pouting.
So then we're down to second tags.
Yeah, then we're down to second tags.
Hey, you smoked
There you
him.
go.
I almost shot
I'm
him
gonna
on
be
the second one. I don't know how. Even when you were picking your gun up, the hens were still just.
No, I know. And I was waiting. I didn't want to pick my gun up until I knew I could get a shot.
And that hen kept putting.
Oh, yeah, that's focused good now.
But I think she was just messing.
I seen him coming. I seen his beard, and I'm like, that's not a Jake, so he's getting shot. You sick of everyone hogging the shots already? That's a good morning. Go try to find Braxton one. Hopefully he doesn't miss, because I know he's kind of a ready shot. Just kidding. Dylan and Braxton spotted these turkeys last night, so we snuck in here this morning and came and shot them.
Yeah, that stinks.
What?
What stinks?
The bathroom.
Your whole house
Whole
stinks.
house. Wife's gonna be real impressed.
I'm pretty sure she probably almost puked when she walked in.
Smashing turkey fans.
Because it's a decoy turkey fan. If you put it on a decoy, you must not care about it.
Yeah, but I don't want the decoy to look goofy.
Up the old Maverick and off to the turkey woods.
After a good nap.
Yep.
Oh!
Go back out where we were this morning, see if we can get back on these birds. There's some more toms, see if Braxton can get himself one. Maybe Dylan get another one. He's got a second tag. So we're just headed back out. So
Let's go kill him.
piss him off. Let's come back. Hey. He's throwing snowballs at the skunk. Did you get him pissed off?
Huh?
Did you get him nice and pissed off?
No.
What did he do?
I just started feeding again. Didn't give a shit.
He's gonna go shoot one of them. We really gotta find out. He needs to just chill for a minute and watch them. They're gonna come right here. Here he comes. Should have put the decoy up right here somewhere, because that Tom's walking right to us. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. You're gonna have to get wet. I'd just take my shoes off, dude. Dude, yeah. No, I know. That's why I told Dylan. I was like, hold on, here comes a Tom. By himself. He walking. Good job, Bug.
Now we're on the second tag, and now we're gonna go home and get drunk. How about that?
That was the coolest thing I've probably ever done, shooting across the creek.
That was cool.
And I think I got it on camera, but I might have missed it right as you pulled the trigger. If you would have pulled the trigger 2 seconds earlier, I would have had it all. It might have just barely missed it. Because I reached around so I could see.
That's gonna be so cool.
Is there a shallower spot? Because it looks deep right there.
It don't look too deep. I can see rocks right here. I bet you're really deep right there.
I'll go down, you better come get me.
Yeah, I'll come get you if you go.
On there by himself,
That's
that was
pretty
meant
cool.
to be.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he come right. I seen him. He was standing there, and I seen him coming. I told Dylan, "There's a Tom right there coming." I told him, "Too bad we don't have that decoy up here a little bit farther." But it didn't matter. I didn't think he was gonna walk clear to this edge. I thought he was gonna go off.
I thought he would too.
He had no idea. He thought the coolest, man.
Yeah.
Got him right in the back.
In the back? Should have hit him right in the head. He was aiming right at the base of the head.
Didn't look like it did anyway. And we got a shed to go get. As long as the skunk's out of the way.
God's really going to be like
2 in 1 day, and there's a shed Dylan has to go find
Next to a skunk.
next to a skunk that he was throwing snowballs at, trying to get to run off, and all it did was make it mad.
I got it marked on my Onyx though, so hopefully he's gone now.
I'm taking his shoes off because there's no shallow spots to cross. You're gonna be numb.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Dude, we're all on second tags, dude.
That's pretty damn good.
It's deep right there. We might have to find a shallower spot. I think it'd be better down there, dude. Well, let's look up here real fast.
You're on the ankle deep. Wishbone?
Wishbone. Make a wish. Don't fall down. Pretty good day of turkey hunting.
Two birds one day.
Doesn't get any better than that. Shoot one in the morning, take a nap, go find some more,
Have some good breakfast.
have some good breakfast, and get 2 turkeys. Dylan shot his last night, so we'll show you guys that. But now we're all on the second tags.
You can't tell me that's not meant to be that the whole entire flock went clear over to that mountain and we came all the way by ourselves.
Yep.
I guess you're next up now, huh?
Yep. Tag number 2 on the way.
Don't get that horn.
Victory. We haven't been sprayed yet.